Okay guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to demonstrate how my power saver efficiently reduces consumption. Aircon naman ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Because yung iba, puro bombilya. Okay? So, here it goes. Let's check first. It's the ammeter is 0. Okay, as you can see. So, walang naka-on. Ito yung saksakan dati ng aircon. Ito yung wire. The meter. The ammeter. And yung saksakan ng power saver. At saksakan ng aircon. Okay? Yan. Now I'm going to turn on the aircon. Okay? Yan. On na siya. As you could see dun sa ginawa ko para to see if it's running. Okay? Let's see the meter. It's 4, 3.8, 4, 4.1, 3.9, 4. Basically, the lowest is 3.5, 3.6. Okay? Yan. Sige. Okay? 4. That's how the aircon consumes too much electricity. Sa pinakamabigat na kuryente sa bahay o appliance sa bahay is the aircon. The meter is running high speed, as you could see. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the power saver. Okay guys? On na siya. Okay? And let's see the difference. 2.9, 2.7, 3.1, 2.7. You just take a look at for yourself. Okay? Nakakabit ang power saver, nakakabit ang AC. You cannot see the difference here because medyo mabilis. But compared dun sa kanina, medyo mas mabagal ngayon. Okay? So, for any more questions, feel free. Okay? Thank you very much for listening, guys.